Hello friends, today's topic is create a linked list. Hashtag include ifstream.h is a header file. Hashtag include conview.h is a header file. Hashtag include stdlive.h header file. We create a function void create list and create a function void display the linked list. This is a node prototype. Then node has two parts. One is value part and second is next part. This is a value part and this is next part. Value part is integer type and next part is node type pointers. Head as use as a global pointers. We use head in every function. The value of head is no change. Void create list. We make a function struct node temp and new node. New node is a pointer type variables and num and j is a integer type variables. Head equal to struct node malloc size of node. Head type the pointer the node is created and head point the this node and the address of head is allocated in this node. Hundred is allocated in this node. If head equal to null mean the node head is not created, then execute this line. If node is created, then execute this part. Head pointer this node. Else, the execute this part. Enter the number of node who want in the linked list. We enter the value of n is 3. So enter the value of first node. C in num. We enter the value of num is 9. Head point value part and equal to num. Head point the value part and num is insert in this part. Head next part equal to null. Head point the next part and null is insert in this next part. 4. We want to create other nodes, so we use the for loop. Temp equal to head. The address of head is allocated in temp. Temp point the first node. Head enter the number of node who want in the linked list. The value of j is 2. 4. We start the for loop. The value of j is 2. New node struct node malloc size of node means the new node is created and the address of new node is point to the new node pointer type variables 200 point this node. Then new node point the this node. If node is not created, then execute this line because this node is created and execute this part. enter the data in remaining nodes. Num. We enter the value of num is 10. New node value equal to num means the 10 is insert in this block. Temp new node next part equal to null. New node point the next part and null is insert in this block. Temp next part, temp point the next part and equal to null. New node, new node, the address of new node is insert in this block. So then our linked list has two part. They create successfully. Temp equal to temp next part. Temp point the next part and next this block contain the address of new node means temp point the this node and this link is removed. The loop execute again. The j value is 3. New node equal to struct malloc size. The new node of size is allocated and new node is created. This is new node. Enter the data remaining nodes num. We enter the value of num is 11. New node point the this node and contain the address of this node. New node value equal to num. The value of num is allocated in new node data part. Then 11 is insert in this part. New node next part equal to null. New node point the next part and null is allocated in this part. Temp next part equal to new node. The temp point the this node and temp point the next part of this node and the address of 300 is allocated in this block. The null is removed and 300 is allocated. Temp equal to temp next part. Temp point the next part and next part contain the address of new node means temp point the new node and this link is removed and this block contain the address of new node and this node is linked other node. In our linked list, the 3 nodes are created successfully. We want display this node, so we use the display function. Display the linked list. Struct node temp. We let a temp node type variables. Then this link is removed. If head equal to null means the value of head is null, then execute this part and not null, then execute this part. Temp equal to head. The address of head is allocated in temp means the address of 100 is allocated in temp. The temp point the this node. While temp not equal to null means the value of temp not null, then this loop is executed. If the value of temp null equal to null, then loop is terminated. See out next value. See out temp value means temp point the this node and this node contain the value 9. 9 is displayed in our screen. While temp equal to temp next part, temp point the 200 and 200 point the address of new node and temp point the this node and this link is removed. And loop execute again while temp not equal to null. The condition is true and then loop execute again. See out temp value. The temp point the this node and this node contain the value 10. 10 and 10 is display in our screen. Let's the temp point the this node and this node address is 200. Temp equal to temp next part. Temp point the next part and next part contain the address of new node means temp point the next node and this link is removed. And temp contain the address of new node. The address of new node is 300. The temp insert 300. While temp not equal to null means temp the value of temp is equal to null, not null, because temp point the 300. Temp value means the value of temp is 11. 11 is display in our screen. Temp equal to temp next part means temp point the null and the loop is execute again. In this null, in this block contain null and this link is removed. And temp point the this block while temp not equal to null means the condition is false because the value of temp is equal to null, then loop is terminated. The this is a main function. The linked list is created successfully and we call the create list. We call the create list and display the list. We call the display linked list function. Display linked list function this and we call this and return value 0 get ch because we want hold the screen, so we use the get ch. Let's execute this program. We enter the value of n is 3. First node value is 9. Second node value is 10 and third node value is 11. This our linked list is created and has 3 nodes. And again, we enter the value of 10 nodes. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 10th. our linked list is created successfully. Thank you so much.